friends, today we're going to draw an elf exploding out of a snowman.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is how our drawings turned out at the very end. We used our markers to draw in color with.
But you can always use whatever you have.
Yeah, all right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first fold our paper in half. We're gonna take the top edge and line it up. I always love doing these folding surprises. And our art friends, if you guys already know how to do this, you can fast forward and do this quicker, especially because sometimes I, oh no, I might need to start over. Thanks. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. Okay. It's starting to panic. Okay, then we're going to take the top flap and line it up with the top edge and then fold that down. But also, I think sometimes we even do this too fast. Yeah. Our friends might need to pause the video too.
Oh no, it's happening to me now.
You can do it.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, and then let's flip the paper over and we're going to fold this flap up to the top edge also. This is just a guide fold. So when we're all done with this one, we're going to unfold it. There you go. And then unfold it and flatten it out. And then flip it back over. And when we're all done, it should open up towards the top. Yes. I also like adding our scratch paper underneath because we're using markers to draw with. And this might leak through or bleed through the paper and get on the table. So if you're using something else, you don't have to use the scratch piece of paper. Now we're ready to draw our snowman. And we're gonna draw the snowman's head partially below the fold. So first, let's draw a circle. And it could be kind of an oval shape. So I'm gonna draw it kind of wide too. But see how this part is above the fold, and then I'm gonna finish the bottom of the snowman's head below the fold. So there's that much underneath and this much above. Yes. Then let's draw the scarf, and we're gonna draw it right below the fold. So we could just draw two little curves coming out diagonally from each side. And then we're gonna match the bottom of the snowman's head and curve around to the other side. Then we can also draw the scarf, or the end of the scarf that's hanging down. So we could draw two curves coming down like this. Then we can draw a line across and add little more, we can add little details underneath. Yes, okay, now let's draw our snowman's body. We're gonna start here on the end of the scarf. We're gonna draw it curving around, almost touch the bottom, over to the other side. Then let's also draw our snowman's hands or arms. We're gonna draw these below the fold, so we'll draw them kind of sticking out to this side more than up. Yes. And also let's draw fingers. So we're gonna draw them branching out on each side. And then we can make the fingers thicker, or the little branch. So we draw a short line and then come back in. And then let's draw another little branch on the inside. And then the same thing over here. We got two little fingers and then the one finger in the middle.
I just realized his head's bigger than the body.
That's okay. Now let's give him a hat. We're gonna draw an oval shape. So we can draw the two ends coming out on each side. And then I'm gonna curve around. I'm gonna go ahead and finish. This is that brim of the hat. Okay, and then let's draw the top hat coming up really close to the edge of the paper. And then we can connect the top. And let's also draw another curve right here for a little extra fanciness. What's our snowman missing?
The face.
Yes. Let's draw a carrot first. We're going to draw a sideways letter V. Then we can curve on this side. Then let's draw the eyes. We can draw two ovals. And we could color those in, but leave a little highlight too, a little white reflection in the eyes to make them shiny. And then the mouth, I'm going to make sure it's above the fold, but I'm going to give him a little smile.
Oh, that's so cute.
Except we're going to explode our snowman. So let's open it up. We're done drawing the outside part. Now we're going to draw the inside. So first, let's start down here and we're going to draw the snow coming out or up further past the fold. And then this next part, we're going to connect these two lines together, but we want to make sure we don't draw below the guide fold down here. So I'm going to turn these into a little, like an explosion. And you don't have to match my same wiggly line, but it looks like the snow's exploding. Yeah. Okay, and then let's do the same thing up here. We can extend this part down. I'm going to draw it kind of curving too out. So then we can draw the explosion. And this I'm going to try to draw it really close to the fold so that we have more room for the elf inside. Okay, now we're ready for the elf. Let's draw him. We're going to start just below or just above this middle fold, and we're going to draw his nose. We're going to draw a little letter C. Then we're going to draw his eyes. We're going to draw them kind of small. We can color them in too, but leave a little highlight like we did for the snowman. Then let's draw his mouth. And we got to draw this kind of small so that we have room for his body and also his hat. Let's draw his mouth open. So I'm going to draw it like he's
really happy.
Yeah, really happy, going crazy, and a tongue inside. And then we can color the inside of the mouth. Okay, now for his face. We're going to draw sticking really close to the eyes and also the ears, or I mean the eyes and the mouth. We're going to draw the ears next. Okay, now for the hat, let's draw the hat first and then we'll draw the ears. I changed my mind. Let's draw the ears. Let's draw pointy diagonal lines coming out. And then we'll draw a curve coming back in for the bottom of the ear. Okay, now for the rest of the hat. We'll draw it curving around for the fluffy part or the folded part of the hat. And then let's draw the top of the hat. If you are really close to the snowman, you can go behind the explosion part, but you want to make sure you're still behind or underneath this top fold. Yes, and I love that you have more room. Okay, we have this little S curve. Then we're going to draw it folded over. So there's the right side of the hat, and then the folded part coming back in. Then we can draw a jingle bell on the end of his hat with a line inside and a dot.
So cute.
Yeah. Now you could turn your little elf into a girl elf or a boy elf. It doesn't matter. But I'm going to add a little bit of hair right here on his forehead and on the side of his face. You could draw little piggy tails sticking out to the side if you want.
Yeah, we can do that.
And eyelashes, right?
Yes.
Oh, and little lines inside the ears. And our friends, you guys can pause the video and add more details to your little elves too. Hadley, that's super cute. Okay, now let's draw the rest of our elf. We're going to draw the collar first. So I'm going to draw a zigzag, and another zigzag. Yes, and then we're going to draw his body, 2 lines coming down. And then the bottom of his shirt. And his belt. And his buckle. Or her buckle. Okay, now for the legs. We're going to draw them a little different so he or she looks like they're jumping out of our snowman. So I'm going to draw the first leg. Looks like the letter J, backwards letter J. And see how it's right underneath the buckle.
Yeah.
Then we'll draw a short line over. Then we're going to draw this leg sticking out more to the side. And here's the rest of the body coming down. And the rest of the legs sticking out and down. Okay, so one shoe, elf shoe, is down here. And the other elf shoe is off to the side. And now we need to draw the arms, sticking way out to the side because they're flying through the air. Those are big arms. They come all the way down to the belt. Then we can draw the end of the sleeves and a little cuff on the sleeve. Now for the hands. We'll draw a thumb and the mitten. Thumb and mitten. Now we need to add more snow. Let's draw a small snowball and a smaller snowball and then a big snowball. Now you can mix up these snow explosions and change the shape too. So you don't have to draw the exact same shapes or sizes that I'm drawing, but we can add these all over to make it look more explosion. What's the word I'm looking for?
It's more
Active? Powerful?
powerful. Powerful.
Like the snow is actually flying out of our snowman.
Yes.
Although we're gonna have to put them back together at the end. We did it, we finished our drawings, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, and this part we always like to fast forward because I want to challenge you to color your drawings differently. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our snowman and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, I hope our friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, now you can also add more things to your drawing. We added coal. We almost forgot the buttons.
Yeah.
And we added more things to the inside. Should we show our friends?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Merry
Boom!
Christmas! Oh, explosion. Yeah, we should, wait, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Boom!
Boom!
We added presents and also a bunch of candy.
But you can add whatever you want.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be the same as us. And like we mentioned, you can color your drawings differently.
I think these turned out really fun.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your elf exploding out of your snowman.
Yeah, but you can always put them back together, so it's not
Yeah.
always sad. And we hope you take extra time to add more things and color your drawings. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.